They are horse chestnuts, and that bit is the bit that when it's older and bigger, you roast them and eat them, and they're super yummy. No, you can't eat them now, they're not ready.
I'm sniffing them.
But they're in those spiky balls.
Why?
To protect them, I suppose, and then they fall on the tree, and then you go chestnut hunting. But they're not ready at all yet. Not at all. Ow. See, they stop being prickly when they're ready, and they fall off the tree. They're not ready yet. Not at all. But when they are, we'll get some.
I'm gonna bring this to Mum and
You forgot pickles. You can't leave your dog. Pickles. You nearly got up yourself in the pickles.
Yep, pickles. Pickles, you mustn't leave out your own pickles.
That's right, pickles. Or you'll end up in a pickle.
And a pickle's blinking over there. Let's have a picnic.
We haven't got anything to have a picnic. I did bring you a fruit bar.
So we're gonna have me and stay here for a bit.
Come here then. Come here, me.
And play and eat.
No, because I think there's people actually in the church today, darling.
Oh.
So it's not. I don't think we can really play today.
Oh. I think they're not. Let's just play.
No, I think there is, darling. That's the thing. Look, I think there's lots of cars.
Huh?
There's lots of cars. Come on, pumpkin.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Come on, Pickles and Echo. Right, rubbish in the bin. Come on then, Munchkinette.
I have to carry today. And the pickles is a very heavy one.
Is he?
Yeah.
They're pretty flowers, aren't they?
He's stronger than a bull.
Strong as a bull, is he?
Yeah. Nope. Well,
You're funny. Steady boy.
he's stronger than a bull.
He's strong as a bull. He flies. It looks like he's flying in the sky now.
He's
Like a balloon.
He's a flyer.
He's a flying dog.
He can fly.
He's a very clever dog, Pickles, isn't he?
I know he's pretending.
He's what?
He's pretending how to fly.
He's pretending to be able to
And
fly.
His favourite green balloon flower day.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh dear, his favourite green balloon.
And he popped it.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh dear.
He popped his other green balloon.
Oh no. Pickles.
Now we have to buy some more.
How do we now?
Yeah, because that was only 4. That was only 2, and that was £100.
Was it?
Yep.
Goodness me, that's a lot of money for balloon.
Yep, so I have got a lot of them in. Here's some more money.
Oh, thank you. You're very rich. You can afford to buy balloons that are £100.
Open up. Ow.
What do you think lives in there?
You
think something lives in there? I'd want to live in there
Why?
because it looks cosy. I reckon some fairies live in there, you know.
What lives in there?
Fairies. Fairies and pixies.
Do they actually?
Yes. They actually do.
Let's go down now. Don't leave my dolly dues. Pickles, lead the way.
Yeah. Pickles, we're all following you. Pup. Pickles the pup.
Yeah, Pickles a pup.
Pickles the pup. I like it.
Pickles.
Churches are very big, aren't they?
Yeah, Pickles.
Come on, Pickles. You're being a real pickle now.
Yeah.
Getting yourself in real pickles.
Yes, you did. Don't snap off. Don't fall down.
No.
Oh, silly Pickles.
Ah. Pickly pick pickles.
Ow.
Right, bye everyone, and always.
Hey, Pickles.